Wherever in the world we find you today, I wish you a good day. My name is Kevin Smith. I'm with Dry Solutions Incorporated. I'm very excited today to introduce to you our DS series of active desiccant dehumidifiers. We have three models, 1000, 2000, and 4000 CFM. We at Dry Solutions understand that we live and work in a world of imperfect, constantly changing weather. To combat this changing weather, we had a vision to be a smarter manufacturer because we understand that so much depends on the weather. We're a global thinking company. Wherever your need is in the world, we can help you solve your problems. Our primary market is in North America, but we'll go anywhere in the world where you need us to be. We believe that the HVAC industry needed a new level of leadership to solve your problems. We decided that we will be a smarter, better, faster, and cheaper solution provider, and here's how we do it. We do not just assemble desiccant dehumidification systems, we design them to fit your specific needs and problems. For example, when we designed the DS systems, we paid very close attention to some key components. One being the casing. We wanted an all-welded casing. There's no fasteners. There's also no potential for leaking. They're airtight. If you walk up to a non-welded HVAC appliance, I guarantee you'll hear your money whistling out the side of that unit over the siliconed over seams where they fastened it with screws or rivets. Access and serviceability were also very high on our agenda when we designed these systems. So much so that we challenged a team to take one of our DS units apart, every single piece, and lay it on the floor. They did that, and then we took an independent team and told them, now put it back together. And both teams were successful in this challenge. And what that said to me was that if you're a service technician, access and serviceability of these units will never be a problem. All the components will come out, the access doors and access panels that we provided, with ease, and simply be put back in with ease. Compact design was also very critical in our design. By packing as much mechanical equipment into as small a package as we could, we save you money. We also equip our units with a DRI rotor, Desiccant Rotors International. We did a really deep dive in research on what desiccant rotor we wanted to use in our systems, and we found the best one that we experienced in the world was Desiccant Rotors International. The media of this rotor will not shrink. And also, because they use a pH-neutral manufacturing process, it won't react with most airborne chemicals or compounds. But most excitingly, the thing that we discovered was these wheels outperformed everyone else. So we can give you more moisture removal in this rotor than with any other in the marketplace today. All of our systems are powered by a Distech microprocessor. If you have not checked out Distech, you should Google them. You will find they are a smart controller at a very affordable price point. So smart that we were able to drive our diagnostic app with the Distech controller so that you can access your unit from a smartphone, iPad, or computer. You won't have to climb up on a ladder. You won't even have to leave your office to see what's going on to see what's going on with your dehumidifier. Reliable heaters. Let me emphasize the word reliable. Again, we did our homework here. We scoured the globe to find a manufacturer that had a reliable heater. They've been in the HVAC market for decades, and they have about a less than 1% failure rate. So you won't be replacing the heaters in your unit every year, every 6 months, every 6 years for that matter. These heaters will not fail. Direct drive motors. We chose direct drive motors wherever we could to keep maintenance low. In fact, the entire unit we designed with maintenance in mind. Low maintenance point, as low maintenance as we could possibly make it. With these units, we also have a whole host of options available. We have sensors, dew point sensors, humidity sensors, CO sensors, CO2 sensors, you name it, we can provide it. We have modular options, so we can provide pre-cooling, preheat, post-cooling, post-heat. We can do DX cooling coils, chill water cooling coils, hot water coils, steam coils. We can do electric heaters. We can do booster fans to take you up to 5 inches of external static 3 inches of external static, you name it, we can design it for you. We can do higher efficiency filters in a module for you. If you need in a food application, you might need some high MERV rated filters. We can do that. Now, let's see how we stack up against the competition. Here's our performance on a chart. Our units, the 1, 2, and 4, are in the pretty Dry Solutions blue. Notice that dark, ugly column in the middle. That's our competitors. They're moving about 600 CFM more than we are, but they're only doing about 60% of the work in the same system. Pretty impressive. And you'll find that's the case for all of our DS series products. All of our units are also ETL or ETLC listed to comply with all local codes, either in the United States or Canada. They will clear certification every time. And this is where I would say buyer beware. Make sure that the products you're buying are ETL listed at a minimum, because if they're not, you may have just bought a unit that you will not be able to operate without spending thousands, and I mean thousands of additional dollars to get it field listed. We made that valuable effort up front for you to make sure you didn't have to go through that hassle. We're tested in our market on 3 things: price, quality, and lead time. I would challenge you as a customer to put us to the test on any one of these. We will beat others' pricing. We will have a higher quality product as detailed in this recording, and we will deliver faster. In fact, many of our products we keep in inventory for immediate delivery, and when we don't, we'll guarantee it'll be at your door within 14 weeks. Pretty impressive. Now, I want to thank you for your time. Join us again on our next 7-minute webinar, where we'll be talking about how we apply desiccant systems. Feel free to reach out to myself or any of the team at Dry Solutions. We are here to support and serve your needs always. Thank you. Have a good day.